I think the most impactful thing was, in my work as a counselor, I often have clients crying, but I wasn't expecting to be the one crying in the workshop. And I think that came from certain insights about myself, and also the awareness or the feeling of being empowered to make certain choices.
So this course allows us to be aware of something which is already in, just that we didn't know. Now we know that there's different segments to it, and when we know that there's different segments, we can look into the different segments and work on it individually. That's the beauty of it.
I thought that sharing between people was very impactful. You get insight I got insight about myself and insight about what things that I wasn't aware of. So that helped me see things from a different point of view. I think it gives me another perspective of how I view things, and more importantly, the ability to pinpoint exactly like the kind of narratives that I tell myself, the kind of stories that I tell myself, and how that eventually goes to creating or those decisions that I make.
The very important thing that I would bring back today was that the stances, the way how you can, even though we know how we give space to one another, how we can hold the space with the different stances.
One area that I definitely will be working on is making solid requests. I think that's an area that I struggle a lot on because I am often fearful of how it will impact my relationship with people or how that will affect their view of me.
So really like how Ellery did share, very knowledgeable. But more importantly, I think what was very enriching or very, very refreshing is that he went with the group. And that was more important than the theories and the concepts. But flowing with how the flowing the group dynamics and helping them and just working with the needs of the group.
It was very engaging. Definitely comes across as someone who is knowledgeable and knows his stuff. And I think he was able to relate to the audience as well and pace well with us.
And he's very, his antenna as a trainer is very good. He can pick up signals very fast, very, very fast. So compassionate. I think he's very compassionate about the work that he does.
Yes.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. Thank you so much.